This is the Mouse Natural Selection Lab. The materials is, I have the instruction sheet right here, and then basically 2 envelopes with event cards and allele cards. So before the lab, here is what we are trying to see. If any adaptations you'll see in mice of white sands in New Mexico, looking at the white sandy desert versus a dark forest floor environment. So before we're going to do this, look at, do you think there's going to be any advantages if you are a white mouse living in a white desert floor versus a dark forest floor? And then on the other side, do you think there'd be advantages of a brown mouse living on a dark forest floor versus a white sandy desert? So go ahead and answer that question. That is your hypothesis. Which mouse do you think will best live in which environment and why? And then here are the procedure instructions. So basically what we're going to do is take out 2 allele cards, and if you've done genetics in the past, you'll know that capitals are dominant and lowercase are recessive traits. So we're going to pull out 2 alleles. So since there is a capital W and a lowercase w, it is going to be a white mouse. We'll pull out an event card next to see if it lives or if this mouse dies. So it is C. The first environment we're looking at is a white sandy desert. So here it is. As you go along, we're going to do the population of white mice first, and then brown mice. We have 1 white mouse, so go ahead and put a tally mark there. Since it is a white mouse and it is the same color as the white sandy desert, the contrasting card doesn't do anything, so the mouse lives. If the mouse died, you'd put a tally mark under brown mice death. So it lives. We're gonna go ahead and take 2 more of these out. That also is a white mouse, and there's an S. The S means that it survives. It is basically saved, so it also does not die. So we have 2 white mice. Take out 2 allele cards, and the whole generation 1 is this whole entire bag done all the way through. So if we have 2 lowercase w's, that is going to be a brown mouse. If we pull out a C contrasting card, it is going to die because it does not blend in with its environment. So since it dies, go ahead and put a tally mark there under brown mice death. And I'll just go ahead and skip ahead so you don't have to see me pull out 2 cards of here and 2 cards of here, but basically the whole bag is going to be the allele cards. Since this one died, we have a dead mouse pile, living mice pile. For generation 2, all of the living mice get to reproduce, and then we'll do it again with generation 3. Then the same thing is done with the dark forest floor, where the rules kind of change, whereas if you're a brown mouse, you're going to blend in with the dark environment, so you'll live. But if you're a white mouse, then you will not blend in, and you will die. So I'll go ahead and insert an image here of the data tables for this and this. So you can go ahead and answer the questions on the back side, which are just here.